Look at this mess. I need to sort all of this crap out. Okay, so heading out, going to grab some sushi with Michael. I am in Shrimp Santonia bag, has come out to play. The Balenciaga triple S's. The dress is Under the Stories. It's the one that's got like the tie here. I really love this dress. So that is my look today, and the earrings are from Mango. Another day and heading out. This is what I'm in. The Ganni jeans and old Topshop Holy t-shirt and the Ganni jacket. It's quite it's really sunny outside and blue sky, but it just looks really nice out. But anyway, sorry, I think
I'm ready to knock me over.
I know, but I think it might be a little bit chilly, so you know, that's why I'm wearing a jacket. Returning some stuff, some samples that I was borrowing from when I was away for the Bahamas and St. Lucia. So it's not my stuff. It's all smoke and mirrors, people. Oh, bag. I have a puzzle in the stone blue. I've been really liking using this at the moment. I'm sure I'm going to switch out to the tan at some point, but for now I'm feeling this, especially for spring. So I'm going to head out now and I'll see you lot later. Okay, so another day and another outfit roundup. I have on this long flowy floral dress. High necked, it's got long sleeves, which I love, and I've got them sort of peeking out. Didn't mean for them to peek out, but they are, and I sort of like that detail right there. The thrifted, very long trench coat, Balenciaga triple S's on, and the puzzle in the tan. That's it. Oh, lipstick. This is, who is this? I usually go between two colors on my skin, either for lipsticks. It's either fuchsia or I go with oranges, like matte, sort of orangey tangerine colors. Glosses is probably going to be the Chloe's, and over here is a fringe suede jacket that I'm thinking of wearing fairly soon. So it's just sitting out there marinating. So every time I go past it, I think about it. I'm not sure if you lot do that. The light outside is absolutely beautiful. Two or three press previews, and then I'll come home, I've got to shoot 2 YouTube videos, catch up on any emails, and then I have a dinner this evening as well with a brand. It's a group dinner, it's not just me and them alone. There's a lot of times I'm just indoors working, but this is involving being out, so I thought, why not? The sun is shining, it's gorgeous out, so I'm taking you with me. just finished shooting my video for Friday. It's going to go up this Friday. Actually, this video is going to go up the following Friday. Wedding guest dresses. All right, so if you're looking for like an idea for what to wear during, you know, to go to someone's wedding, it's up on last week's video because I just finished shooting it. Just the color is just, it's exquisite. Yeah, so that is it. And this dress is from And Other Stories. Look at this mess. I need to sort all of this crap out. I also have some stuff to take to consignment as well, which is Beacon's closet, because I like to just recycle my things. So what is it you need the cable for?
For this. It's a cable that goes from this to the TV.
Okay.
So we don't have any hanging cables.
Right, okay. All right, so we'll just leave it like this for now.
Yep.
All right. Playing with your man toys. So there is one thing I need to get done, which is a shoot. So before I go out for dinner, I need to shoot this. This looks like a hot mess at the moment. It's actually a top and a skirt. God, I look like a flamenco. You know that girl, the emoji? And I've got my vintage cowboy boots on. All right, so I'm going to get that done and then I'll be back soon. Mango earrings and the Love puzzle because I like that dark blue with the lighter blue. Okay, so this is the Under the Stories dress. Ignore this camel. This camel is going downstairs. Puzzle, I like the blue on the blue, and the Gani white Western boots. Right, I need to head out and I'll take you lot with me. It was good because I got to meet the brand for the very first time. I've never met the white company themselves, and the founder was there, so it was just an honor just to meet her because I love that brand. It's just, if you like luxury products like for homes, like linens, bed sheets, sleepwear, and it's all luxury. Best stuff. Highly recommend. If you want to gift anyone anything, get them something from the white company. You will thank me later.
What do you want?
I want to do my job really well.
If I make this easy for you, will you release my wife and my girl?
How do you want
Excuse, I got no makeup on. Going with the hair. Oh, by the way, I've decided to just plait my hair underneath for like a few, I actually want to do it for a few weeks. We'll see how it goes. And I will just wear my big hair for the summer because I just feel like, because I got colored hair, it just gets very damaged from like the hot sun in the the color in my hair. So this is just a way to just avoid that and protect it, and you know, it's a protective hairstyle. Anyway, so Michael has just gone in to get a sandwich. here, this place, oh my gosh, it's called the Sandwich King, Astoria. It is the dog's bollock when it comes to like, it's just like the equivalent of Cat's Deli but in Astoria. And you get like, you know what's good about this place? If you like firefighters like Paula, my girlfriend, does in London, you get them all pull up here in droves. You get like police detectives and all those kind of guys. You can spot a police detective a mile away. They don't have to be in like uniform, they already have their own. They all come here and eat. So I don't know why I'm saying that in a hushed voice, but I just felt like saying it. Outfit wise, I've got my Loewe puzzle in the stone blue and the Vans on my feet, really comfy. And then up top, see if I can, wearing these jeans. I can't remember where they're from. Oh, these are like old Bowden jeans. They're like kick flare jeans, and a vintage shirt which you lot have seen before, I think. Anyway, I need my sandwich. I'm hungry. I've got that vintage urge, so I'm going to pop to either go to Loveday, which I've mentioned to you before, or I'm going to go to this new one recommended by one of you lot. You emailed me and you told me there's this vintage shop, and you sent me a link as well because they got a website and I actually like the look of it, so I might be going there instead. So I haven't decided, but anyway. So vintage dress, bits of mango, vintage belt. Bag is by Cleo Bella. Also, I'm trying the new Fenty Beauty bronzer. I've got two on. I've got the Caramel QT. Yeah, I've got the Caramel QT for contouring the nose, and I've got on my cheeks, I've got Beijing Gyal, which I really love because it's like a really nice natural warm color. Like, you don't need blush, you just put this on and it gives like a really nice warmth to my skin. So that's that, and then Beijing Gal. Anyway, that's it. I'll link them below if you lot are looking for something. Okay, so I'm wearing the Loveday, funnily enough, jacket. Because this dress is so long, I figured wear something like contrasting. So hence the crop jacket with the long dress. Contrasts, you know, I've talked about contrast before. Going to sign off my vlog here, but what did I want to say to you? Oh, before I do, I thought I'd end on some fashiony bits, or just a couple. One is what I'm wearing. This is under the stories. You guys have seen this top before, but I wanted to show you these pants. They are ultra long and wide-legged, and I just, oh god, they're so good. They're from Jacquemus, so very first time wearing this brand. I did it for a collaboration with Moda Operandi, so they very kindly let me pick a couple of pieces, and this was one of them that I did pick out. I thought I'd pick something that was very classic, and something that I would keep for a very long time. And to me, a good pair of wide-legged, well-cut trousers is that. So this is them, so you can see how long they are. I'm actually standing on my tippy toes, because they are that long. So I'm probably going to have them hemmed a little bit, which I don't want to because I love that hem. Look how wide that hem is. That, it's just, oh, I love that. Anyway, I call them parachute trousers. So I thought I'd quickly just show you those, and they fit so nicely. It's just flat, there's no pockets. I love these so much. Anyway, so I thought I'd just end by showing you those. I went to that shop earlier, that vintage shop. I picked up these Levi's. These are 505s. I actually like 505s. I own another pair. Maybe I'll put on the screen, in a much smaller size, like my size, and they're very tight and high-waisted. But these are deliberately oversized, and I got them like that because I like the idea of a very oversized pair that I can wear that are very long on the bottom and kind of cover the tops of your feet and almost like the heel of the back of your shoe. I love that look. So I picked these up from there, and I think these were 20 bucks. Okay, so that is it. That is my lot until I see you guys next week. All right, so yeah, have a good weekend, everyone, and follow me on Instagram, KarenBritChick, you already know. And what else? Was there anything else? Don't think so. That is basically like a snapshot of my typical few days of what I do, whether it's sorting out my blog, Instagram, projects I'm shooting. I'm talking actually on my iPhone because my vlogging camera just packed up. I got to find a new one. Oh, it never ends. Anyway, see you next week.